Welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Hello and welcome to Super Stuff Unboxed. Today we're going to be opening something really super. It's the old school Manga Spawn action figure from McFarlane Toys. Todd McFarlane's line of Spawn from the 90s that were such great action figures that it really changed action figures forever. And I had this action figure in the late 90s, early 2000s. It's however long gone. And now is our chance to unbox this 1997 action figure again. And it's currently 2024. So this thing has been boxed for ages. I remember when I had it, putting that little hood on, putting the shoulder pads on. These were awesome accessories in an amazing line of Spawn figures. Oh my goodness, that waiting to be unboxed since 1997. And that time is now. I'm the perfect person to do it. I had a letter printed in Spawn Comics when I was 13. A long time ago. All right, since this is a cardboard and plastic shell casing, we are going to stick our thumb in the corner and listen. I'm certainly going to be keeping this backing. 1997, this thing's not going in the trash. That's for sure. Now look at here. We seem to have got some paper that's been folded up for over 25 years. What is it? Oh my gosh. Wow. Spawn merchandise. 1997, the year of Spawn merchandise. Oh my goodness. Spawn from the movies. Spawn, Sony PlayStation, and soundtracks, and comic books, and toys in the HBO series. Wow, it really was the year for Spawn. And look at how cool McFarlane has always been. Absolutely super stuff. Wow. An amazing unboxing we're doing right here for someone like me who had this unboxed so long ago. All right, let's do it. Take your first breath of fresh air. Oh my goodness, so cool. We'll start with the staff. The staff is, there is still a sticky piece of Scotch tape holding it in. Very large, very cool staff. Wow. Whoa, super cool. All right, now these things that are also held in by some Scotch tape can go in the hands and also in the back. Oh, and his little hood. Man, I remember having this hood in the 90s. Yeah, this thing will go right on. It's like it goes on a finger. Yeah, This is a good size. Good for some other figures too. Okay, we'll put it on. It will look a lot cooler. You can't tell anything from this right now, can you? All right, very cool. These, yes, in the hands or in the back. Shield, one peg. Cool. I think the one I had though, I think I remember the color scheme being slightly different. All right, all out of the box. Here we go. Okay, so we've got him. We've got, hopefully nothing breaks. Oh, articulation at the hip. Remember, this is super old. Oh wow, look at how these things stick off on the back. Wow. We've got one pin knees, hip, and nothing at the foot. So very little articulation. Hip, knees, shoulders, elbow. This is still really advanced for its time. And then the wrists are just circular. Now you can notice these are what we're going to use to make sure the shoulder pad cape combo stays in place. All right, and we're gonna push these pegs into those holes as best we can, if they still fit, if that's even a thing. Okay, now in the back, we've got these two holes. I'm going to put, yes, these in the two holes. They also can fit in these grips. Speaking of, I've got this peg. I can go with this long claw arm. It's an extra little shield, right? Doesn't it go in there? Push. All right. Yeah. That's one way to do it. Let's try it. All right. Okay. I see you. Or maybe I don't. All right. A little bit. Play around with that a little bit. Hopefully it ends up looking fantastic. But what an amazing toy for 1997. You remember when 1997 was? Peace in, and hopefully I don't mess anything or break anything. Oh, I hope that goes back in. If that hand broke live on this video, this is the worst news ever. Huh? Bummer. That's what I get straight out of the box. All right. You live and you learn. Well, an amazing 1997 opening. And if videos like this teach you anything, it's warm up these brittle plastics that have been in the box. Don't just rush for the sake of a recording. All right, there we go. Thank you so much for watching Super Stuff Unboxed. We'll catch you next time. Let's still take some pics. Yeah.